YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a Zodiac TankTrax conversion kit. This is actually going to be part C15. Stay tuned, we're going to dive in and kind of let you guys know the cleaner this works for and what comes included. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we have a what's in the box for you guys on Zodiac's C15, which is the TankTrax conversion kit for their Polaris 280 Vac-Sweep pressure side pool cleaner. So one really cool thing is they do sell the TankTrax version. It's typically a retail sale type of cleaner that you're going to purchase. It's not available for online. So they allow you to actually purchase the 280 and then be able to convert it to the TankTrax outside of that. So if your cleaner's outside of any type of warranties or anything like that, you guys can always buy this and actually convert it to the TankTrax. So if you're not familiar with the 280 is still one of their three-wheeled cleaners, but with the TankTrax conversion, it takes away the two sides as being individual wheels and turns them into a big, large tank track. So it's actually one large track, which will actually help the cleaner perform a little better in your pool. So I actually really like the conversion kit, and I think that the Polaris should kind of actually pitch the TankTrax a little bit more than they do, but it's nice that they actually have a conversion kit where you guys can buy your 280, if it's a year old, whatever it may be, and be able to convert it, so then that way it'll actually work with this large TankTrax. So let's just dive in here and kind of show you guys what comes included. So you get the basic 280 base. Everything's nice and bubble wrapped in here, so it's really optimal for shipping. Here is the 280 top, and then of course here's your one large tank track. So really, really cool how they are able to turn the two side wheels into one wheel like this and actually allow it to function more as one unit instead of individual wheels. So they do give you full instructions here, so that that way you guys know what you're doing when you're actually converting it over from the traditional two wheel, to the one large wheel. You're still going to require both wheels, like the plastic wheels themselves. So if those are broken on your current cleaner right now, you're going to have to buy new ones of those in order to actually make the conversion, because the conversion is only going to give you some of the basic parts that you need to convert, but you'll still need quite a bit of original parts from the 280. So they're going to actually break it all down for you guys here and kind of show you guys using the new bottom housing as well as how the new top housing fits on, how to reassemble some stuff for you guys. They do give you a brand new idler wheel, so if your idler wheel is having issues, this conversion will actually give you a new one already pre-equipped with the bearings in here for you. They do give you the full swing axle arm, just like in your traditional 280, with all the little pieces to put that together. And then they do give you 3 new axles for your wheels. So that's going to be what connects everything to your frame. So again, you're still going to need a majority of your original cleaner. So if there are other major working parts that are broken, you're still going to need to buy those to convert to a TankTrax cleaner. So they do give you those 3, which is nice. So if you're having any issues with your wheels, you now have 3 new axles, as well as the idler wheel like I was talking to you guys about. So the benefit of going to the TankTrax instead of your 2 general wheels tends to be that you can cover a little bit more surface area on the pool without it turning or rotating quickly. So you actually get a longer run out of the TankTrax. So it's kind of nice. And then the fact that when you guys are replacing stuff, instead of having to buy 3 individual wheels, you buy 1 wheel and then you buy the one large TankTrax. So really cool. This thing is actually like a really heavy duty rubber. So I would recommend, if you guys have a Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 that you guys want to actually purchase this part. Again, the part number is C15. You guys can find it in the links in the description below, directly on our website. A little bit more in-depth information for you guys on what this actually is available on our website, so make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, pretty straightforward. They give you everything you need to convert your 280 to the TankTrax. Again, you're going to need the majority of your basic cleaner, so if there's issues with that, then again, buy those parts first before you guys actually get this conversion kit. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got a ton of videos coming your way. possibly a full conversion for you guys on the TankTrax conversion kit. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.